Hey pretty girls, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm going to be showing you guys my plant, and today I'm going to be propagating my plant. Let me introduce you guys to my Golden Pothos plant. Let's just say she isn't in the best shape right now. Although she's growing really long, she's only growing from one stem, you guys. So she's really supposed to look like this and like this. So this is the inspo for where we want her to go in 2025, but it's okay because 2025 is a year for growth for all of us. So just like you need to get your body right, I'm gonna get my Golden Pothos body right. Okay, so I did some research, and basically I'm gonna have to cut some stems off from my plant. Then I'm gonna place it in this mason jar with some water and just wait for the plant to grow root. So it sounds easy, but I'm really nervous and I hope I don't kill my plant. So the first step is to cut the plant, but I'm just struggling to find my scissors right now for some reason, so just give me a second. If you don't have the proper tools to actually cut plants, I forget the name of what the tool is, I'll insert it down here if I figure out the name. Then you're just gonna take some scissors and you just want to make sure that they're clean. So wipe them with alcohol and you should be good to go. From my research, you guys, I learned that these are nodes on the plant. So we're not gonna cut the nodes, but we're gonna cut anywhere above or below the nodes. So this is a node, this is a node, this is a node, this is a node, and it's a lot of nodes. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut off my first one. So I'm gonna cut here, or should I cut here? I'm gonna cut here for my first one. So what I was asking myself was if I should cut it here and here, so these two could be separate, but I just decided to keep these both together and I just cut below. So this is my first. Just gonna set her to the side. Next I'm gonna cut, I think I'm basically gonna do the same thing. So again, these are both visible nodes, so I could cut here to separate them, but I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. And now guys, I'm just cutting each stem until I feel like, you know, my plant isn't completely just sagging down. Y'all, I don't know how much to cut because basically my plan is that I'm gonna repot some of the stems back into this pot, but ultimately I want to give my pot a new home, and this is the new home that I'm thinking about. Super cute. So I want to make sure that I have enough, but I don't want to cut the whole plant off. I think I'm gonna cut maybe here. Should I leave her like this, or should I cut this last stem off? I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments if I should just leave it here or if I should have cut off more. But I think I'm gonna just leave it right here for now. So these are all the stems that I have left. Pretty healthy leaves. And now I'm gonna take my mason jar, take off this little sticker from the back, and I'm just gonna fill her with some filtered water. Just because I don't drink tap, so I don't think my plant should be drinking tap, you know? So now I'm just gonna place all the leaves in here. And what I did learn was that you don't want the leaves to be in the water at all. And I think I might need some more water, but I'm just gonna fill it up after I place all the stems in here. And I wish I had 2 mason jars, this might get a little crowded, but I'm gonna try to finesse and work my magic. I'm super excited about this, you guys. I can't wait to see my plant just thrive and grow because I know she can get to the inspo fix. Like, I know she can get there. I don't want to put a timeline on it because, you know, I don't want to be disappointed, but I say like by this summer, she is gonna be that girl. Like, she's gonna be that pothos. And y'all, being a plant mom is so rewarding. I had this plant for about 3 years now, and I literally got her from the flea market. Like, a lady was selling these little cute mug plants, and it was in a mug almost like this size. Like, she literally was in this size, and she just had one little stem, and I've had her ever since. So I'm so happy that, you know, I'm going through the trials, the ups and downs of what it is to be a plant mom and what it is to own plants. So I'm just super excited, because the first plant that I've ever had, I had it my sophomore year of college. It was like one of those big plants that you could buy from IKEA. It died, and it died because I was watering it like every day. Don't even ask me why. Like, the plant should have only been getting water like once a week, so me watering it every single day, obviously that's why it died. I'm gay. Like, so I was super sad when that plant died, because it was a nice size, but I feel like I can get my pothos to look really cute, really full, and I feel like it's a great starter plant to have, because I can just make more plants from my one singular plant. This is gonna be a plant. This is gonna be a plant, and I could just keep buying different pot plants and just have a whole plant house if I wanted to. But I think it would be super cute that if I could get both of my girls to grow healthy by the end of the year, that I could possibly gift one to somebody else, you know, to have them start off becoming a plant mom, plant dad. So if this is something you would be interested in, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and let me know, because maybe I'll do it as a giveaway if you guys stay with me for this journey of growing my golden pothos to be super healthy. I have all of the stems in, like, barely. I'm trying to just like squeeze these girls in here a little bit, but it definitely needs some more water, so like all the roots can just, you know, be touching the water. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more. So I added some more water, and this is how we're looking, and this looks cute, really cute by itself too, which I've also done some research about. And people actually just, instead of like propagating it to repot, they just leave it like this and like have it as a little decor around their house, because the plant will continue to grow in just an environment like this. So this is also a cute idea, but we're gonna just wait patiently. I didn't do a lot of research on how long it's gonna take, but I'm probably gonna do that. Let me just Google it. So y'all, Google is saying that a golden pothos cutting typically takes 3 to 6 weeks to develop roots and water. However, the time it takes to root can vary depending on the conditions, such as light. So I need to place the cutting in an area with good light but not direct sunlight. And the temperature for the water should be around 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Y'all, that was cold water. Rooting hormone. Dip the stem into rooting hormone before placing it in water. I also didn't do that step. Heating mat. Using heating mat to speed up root formation. Okay guys, so I might have missed a few steps, but I think we still good to go, you know? I think we still good to go. I think I'm honestly gonna keep her on my island table, because I have a big window right here, and my pothos was getting indirect sunlight from that same position. So I think I'm just gonna keep her here, open up the blinds, let some light shine through, and then I'm gonna come back in 3 to 6 weeks with an update, because Google said 3 to 6. So in 3 to 6, I want to see some root. I want to see some root. So once that root grows, like I said, you guys, I'm gonna replot some of them in here, and then in here. So stay tuned for the journey of me growing my golden pothos, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.